I've got a customer of mine that decided they wanted to do some work and have some rustic wood looks done to some floors that they've got, and he decided to put me through the classes and see if we couldn't get everything done for him. I came to the first classes approximately 5 months ago. After going through the class, talking to some other customers and clients and stuff, within 3 weeks, maybe 12 of them had a high interest in having artistic works done to some of their concretes and stuff. And after coming to the classes this week, I'm ready to start the work now. Have my first floor going down in 2 weeks, and once I do it physically, that's when it catches on a whole lot. I feel comfortable doing it from that point forward. And the classes were pretty much almost 100% focused on hands-on experiences and doing it on your own versus just watching and listening. Find the time, find the money. It's highly worth it. The education that you're going to get from the class, the opportunities you're going to have after the class, even if you're afraid of doing it now, once you put your first one down, I think it's going to be one where you're going to be glad you came and may even come back for a refresher course or two after that.